Hello, welcome to Free Math. Let's take a look at problem number 5 from RMO 2016. So the problem goes this way. Let A, B, C be positive real numbers such that A upon 1 plus B upon 1 plus C upon 1 plus A equals 1. Now we're going to have to prove that the product ABC is less than or equal to 1 upon 8. Now this question is actually an AM GM inequality problem because obviously if an inequality is involved, the first thing that comes to our mind is AM GM inequality. So let's see how AM GM inequality is involved in this problem. So first what we're going to do is we're going to multiply throughout by, let's simplify this expression by multiplying throughout by 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 1 plus C, so that we can get rid of the denominators on the left hand side. So we'll get this. Now let's expand the brackets. So we get this pretty lengthy expression. Let's expand the brackets once more. So we get this. Now what we can do is we can get rid of some of the terms. So here, for example, AB here gets cancelled with AB here. Then BC, BC. What about B? So B, okay, B, AC, AC. A gets cancelled with A over here. C gets cancelled with C over here. Okay. So finally we get this expression that A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus A squared C plus B squared A plus C squared B equals 1 plus ABC. Now this is the point where we're going to use the AM-GM inequality. Now remember that we have to prove that ABC is less than or equal to 1 upon 8. So we are kind of focused on this term actually, right? We want to obtain that term wherever possible. So what we're going to do is we're gonna apply AM-GM inequality, but exactly where? We'll focus on these three terms first: A square plus B square plus C square, and apply the AM-GM inequality. So here we have three terms, and the product of the terms is, so the AM-GM inequality says that the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to the geometric mean, the product of them. So we have the third root. So if you simplify this, we get this, right? So we have applied the AM-GM inequality here. And what about the remaining three terms over there? Let's apply the AM-GM inequality over there as well. So we get this. Now, so see, the whole point of applying the AM-GM inequality specifically for these three terms, it was because we wanted to extract out ABC somehow, right? Now we can add these two expressions. So if you add these two expressions, this plus this plus this will be um, less than or equal to 1 plus ABC, correct? Because we know that this plus this is actually equal to 1 plus ABC. So finally we have this inequality. So we have something here because we have ABC sitting hiding over here, right? Now let's try to obtain the desired result from this inequality. So we're going to let x equals ABC to the power 1 by 3. So this would mean that x squared is ABC to the power 2 by 3, and x cubed is basically ABC, right? So we get ABC, we can replace ABC with x cubed, and ABC to the power 2 by 3 is x squared, right? So now let's start dealing with this inequality. Let's transpose terms, subtract 1 plus x cubed on both the sides of this inequality. We can factor out 3x squared from these two terms, and now we can factor out x plus 1 from these two terms, right? Now 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. Now I think we can split the middle term. We can factor that as well. Let's do that. So 2x squared, we need the product to be -2, some should be 1. So we have 2x minus 1. 2x can be factored out, so it'll be x plus 1, and yeah, so this would be 2x minus 1 into times x plus 1, right? Okay, so now x plus 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1 the whole squared, right? Wait a second, let me erase everything on the slide. Okay, so now if you look at this inequality pretty carefully, this is a positive term, right? Because it's a square term. I mean, it's non-negative. That's a better way to say it. This is non-negative. So the only way for this inequality, the whole thing to be less than or equal to 0, can only happen if 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0, which basically means x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now if you cube the inequality, so we have x cubed less than or equal to 1 upon 8, but guess what is x cubed? That is ABC. So we finally have the desired result. ABC is less than or equal to 1 upon 8. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment. Thank you.